Advanced Guide to Ranch Roping. Today we're talking about the key to getting any honest heel shot, and that is the header getting short. So after you got the calf roped, what we don't want to do is stay way out here long, okay? So if I get her roped and I stay out here 15 foot, there's a lot of rope between me and that calf, okay? And that calf can be wallering all over the place. So the mindset behind getting short has to be a couple of things, but number one, you need to be aggressive. You are on offense, you are the quarterback of the team, you have to control the animal. If you are the header and you are a defensive human, you need to change the way you react in this situation because you have to get short and no one can do it for you. So, if you're in a pasture, this is gonna look like just riding your horse, getting up there and getting short, reading the calf, knowing where he's gonna go, and getting up there and getting short. You can stop the calf with your horn and kind of work him down to get short. If you're in a pen, use the fence. Use the corners of the pen to get short. So send that calf back into the herd, right? And let them calm down. Don't stay dallied. Send them into the herd, stay long, and then get short nice and easy and consistent. And as soon as that calf, if I get, 10 foot off of them, as soon as that calf starts to leave, go to the peg without feeding rope. Bam, 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 bam. Stack them on. Don't let them leave. And then just follow the calf where he needs to go, right? You do not have to undally to move your horse's feet. So stay to the horn and follow that calf until he gets in the middle of the pen. If you need help, communicate to your team. Tell them, hey, bump him off the fence right here, and you stay to the peg and just let him drift out into the middle of the pen. But this is gonna be paramount, guys. It's so important to get short to give your heelers an actual chance. I've seen guys rope and they stay long, and that is a totally different skill set. But when it comes to learning how to do this stuff, you're gonna get way more opportunities to get the calf roped if you get short after you neck it. Guys, if you like content like this, you need to check out 310edu.com. Use code YouTube50 to get 50% off your entire first month.